Welcome to AI Side Hustle, the podcast that helps you make money online using artificial intelligence. Before we start, please visit our website at ai-sidehustle.blogspot.com for free tools, prompts, and resources. Do not forget to follow us, like, and share this episode with a friend who needs to hear it. How I made my first $100 with AI, even as a complete beginner. Did you know that 93% of people who try to make money online fail within their first 30 days? I was one of them. But after failing with 7 different methods, I found one that finally worked. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I made my first $100 using nothing but free AI tools. Step by step. You don't need any technical skills. No paid subscriptions. Just follow these 3 simple steps, and you could see your first payout in as little as 7 days. Step 1, choose the right free tool. The tool I used is Canva AI. Yes, the free version of Canva has powerful AI features that can create professional designs in seconds. Step 2, create a sellable product. Here's the secret: instead of designing one logo, you're going to design 50 logos and bundle them together. What you're selling isn't the design itself, it's the convenience of a bundle. Platforms like Creative Fabrica and etc. love this type of product, and beginners make sales every single day. Step 3, sell using AI, the smart way. Now you have a product. How do you find customers? Use ChatGPT to write 10 different marketing posts for you. I'll share 5 ready-to-use prompts in the description below. Copy, paste, and post them in Facebook groups or Reddit communities. That's it. This exact method made me my first $100 in 2 weeks. Try it yourself, then come back and leave a comment telling me how much you made. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the other side hustles I'll be sharing. And share this video with someone who needs a real opportunity.